Hello viewers, welcome to YouTube channel Das and Sons. Today we are going to discuss about phrases, clauses and sentences. These have been found very difficult to understand these, but we have common and easy method to understand these. Now let us discuss. First of all, phrase. 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 Phrase is the group of words having no subject verb combination. Group of words. Phrase is group of words having no subject verb combination. That means phrase is group of words in which there is no relation between subject and verb. This leads to three cases. First case, no subject plus no verb. In the second case, subject plus no verb. And in the third case, no subject plus verb. We shall discuss each with examples. First of all, no subject plus no verb. Its example is in order to, and second one is at the point of, in these two expression, in order to and at the point of, there is no verb and no subject. Similarly, the second one, subject plus no verb. In this we write the example. Subject plus no verb means the woman at the window. And the second one is the woman at the window, and the second one is a stitch in time. In these two expressions, the woman at the window, here subject is woman, but there is no verb. In the second expression, a stitch is the subject and there is no verb. Then comes the third one, no verb, no subject plus verb. No subject plus verb, that means there is no subject but there is a verb. Its example is should work. We will come better about the phrase if we use them in sentences. Let us use them in sentences. The first one, no subject, no verb. Its example, in order to and at the point of. We use it in sentences. I worked hard in order to pass the exam. In order to means pai balagi. I worked hard in order to pass the examination. When we use it in sentence, we find its meaning better. I worked hard in order to pass the exam. परीक्षा पास करने लगी मु कठिन परिश्रम कली. Then comes subject plus no verb. The woman or the window or a stitch in time. The second one is B1, then B2. Subject plus no verb. A stitch in time. A stitch. A stitch in time saves 9. We get the better idea of the expression or of the phrase when we use it in sentence. A stitch, S-I-T-S-T-I-C-H, stitch. Then S-T-I-C-H, stitch. This goes wrong. S-T-I-C-H, stitch. Stitch. Then the third one, should work. We should work. We should work for our country. Then there something went wrong. STI, perhaps it is STITCH, stitch. STITCH. No, STICH. We should work for our country. Then we come to the word clothes. 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 C-L-A-U-S-E. Clothes is a group of words having one subject and one verb. Clause is group of words having one subject and one verb. Example: Sita laughs. Here Sita is the subject and laughs is the verb. One subject, one verb. In clause there is only one subject and one verb. Sita laughs is the clause. Then we come to sentence. Sentence is a group of words having more than one subject or more than one subject. Sentence consists of one clause or more than one clause. In clause there is one subject and one verb, and sentence consists of one clause or more than one clause. Otherwise, or sentence has one subject and one verb, or more than one subject and more than one one verb. If there is one subject and one verb, it is a clause and it also a sentence, because sentence consists of one clause. If there is a one verb and one subject, then it is a clause and it is also a sentence. Let's go further. Let us take an example. Rama and Hari goes to school. In this sentence, there are two subject. One is Rama and another is Hari. But there is one verb, goes. Is it a sentence? Yes, is it a sentence? Because in the definition of sentence, we have learned that sentence have one clause or more than one clause. Is it one clause? No, it is two clauses. If you divide the sentence, then we will find Rama goes to school. Similarly, Hari goes to school. These are two clauses. Here one clause divided into one sentence divided into two clauses. Rama and Hari goes to school. There are two subjects and one verb. If you divide the sentence, one is Rama goes to school and other is Hari goes to school. There are two clauses. In one sentence there are two clauses. According to our definition of sentence, a sentence consists of one clause or more than one clause. Here two clauses remains in a sentence. So as there is two sentence, it is also a as there is two clauses, it is also a sentence. Similarly, another example, Rama sings and dances well. In this sentence, subject, there is one subject Rama, but there are two verbs, sings and dances. Is it a sentence? Yes, is it a sentence? As in the definition of sentence, we have learned sentence consists of two clauses. Can it be two clauses? Let us discuss. Here one subject, two verbs. This leads to Ram sings well. Similarly, Ram dances well. There are two clauses, Rama sings well and Rama dances well. The two clauses unitedly form the expression Rama sings and dances well. That means the sentence, the expression Rama sings and dances well consists of two clauses. As it consists of two clauses, it is also a sentence. Rama sings and dances well. In this expression, in this example, there is a one subject Rama and two verbs sings and dances. It proves itself a sentence. Similarly, in the previous one, there is Rama and Hari, two subject, but the verb is one, goes to school. The previous sentence also leads to two clauses, Rama goes to school, Hari goes to school. So if in an expression there is one subject and two verbs, this also called a sentence. And similarly, if there is an expression having one subject and two verbs, Rama sings and dances well, one subject and two verbs, it proved itself a sentence. And similarly, if there are two subjects and one verb, it also proves a sentence and it also satisfies the rules of subject This ends the class. Thank you. And at last, I requested all of you, if you like this teaching, then follow, like, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.